In order to install the Impero server, you need to run the Impero server MSI installer. You can get this from the knowledge base or from Impero's technical support team. To begin the install, double-click on the Impero server setup file. This will open the Impero server setup wizard, where you should follow the install instructions. It's important to read the license agreement before accepting the terms and continuing. By default, the Impero server will install to the C drive. If you want to change this, select Browse and choose your preferred install location. Click on Install to begin the process. Once installation is complete, you will need to register the server. To do this, click on the Impero server desktop icon and follow the registration instructions. You will need to input an establishment name, an email address, and an activation code, which will be supplied by the Impero Technical Support and Installations team. You will also need to set a password to access the Impero console. When complete, click on Register.